Hey guys, it is Friday morning here in the Philippines and we are bringing you an unboxing video of a Mini GT Lamborghini Huracan. And my tractor is very suiting for this video because Lamborghini started out making tractors, and this actually looks like one of the classic Lamborghini tractors actually. So kind of very suiting for this video, and it's actually a 1/64 scale, so pretty cool. But the car we're focusing on today is this guy here, and Ethan's here to give me a hand. Say hi, Ethan.
Hi.
All right, so we are taking a look at this as the latest color in the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan. It's in red. This is just, I think, your version 1 or version 2 kit. This isn't the silhouette kit. So this, I think, is like the 4th color or 5th color release so far with this body kit. Lost track of them after I got rid of my Lamborghini collection. So this is the first Lamborghini from Mini GT I have bought it since I sold my collection. So this is, once again, LB Works Lamborghini Huracan in red. And on this end cap, you have Mini GT 1/64, and on this cap, you just have the Lamborghini emblem. And unfortunately, I don't know if it was from the vacuum of the shrink wrap they put on the packages, but it kind of warped my box and crushed this corner, or I don't know if the case was dropped during shipping. So when I got this bad boy, I immediately opened it to check the condition, and it seems to be pretty good. But I did complain to Hobby Stock about the damaged box because this was damaged long before they shipped it. So they shipped me a damaged box. So a little bit disappointed in that. Usually Hobby Stock is better with their customer service and such. But anyways, the car's not harmed, so that's all that really matters to me. So anyways, this is your bottom side where they give you the warning for the choking hazards, the age recommendation of 14 and older because of it being a collector's model. On the bottom side, you have your TSM model licensing there and your TSM model holographic sticker. And then it will tell you that it is LB Works Lamborghini Huracan version 2. So version 2 kit. And then there's the silhouette kit for the Huracan from Mini GT LBWK. And then this is the left-hand drive variant. Then on the top side, you have your collector number, 375, and where to find Mini GT online and on social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Sorry about the focusing issues with the camera this evening. So let me try to move it. Maybe it's getting too close to my hand. So what I'll try to do is just zoom it in a hair bit. Okay, so let's get this bad boy out of the box and take a look at him. So, as usual, in the little PVC tray to keep it from flopping around in the package. And this is done in a brilliant red, and it doesn't have any special color name. It just says red. It looks like the Rosso Mars red, that they usually have on the Lamborghinis for Mini GT. So I'm not sure if it's the same red or if this is a little different. I do not have any more of the Rosso Mars colored Lamborghinis to compare it to, unfortunately. But you have your rear wide body flares, your front wide body flares. On the side of the door, it is the trademark phrase, imagine all of the people living life in peace. And then you have some LBWK co-sponsor stickers on the rear flare. The mirrors are body color and they are rubber. It's easier to show you from the passenger side how much it flexes. So they are pretty durable, but still be careful, in my opinion. The engine cover on this one is a little bit unique. It is done in body color. Usually they are done in like a smoked glass. So that is pretty unique on this one. And then the spoiler is done in a carbon fiber. And most of the time I remember the spoiler being done in the body color. So that is a little bit unique for this one, the engine cover and the spoiler. But still, yeah, same cover, same spoiler, just done in a different color combo. So flipping it around to the front, you have your LB Performance banner sticker across the windshield, and you can see it is left-hand drive. And then you have the wiper down at the very base of the windshield, and then you have your acrylic headlight lenses. I believe that is acrylic over a tampo. And then you have your air intakes, front grille, which is very sinister looking in my opinion, your Lamborghini emblem on the front header panel. And then you have your, I think these are Forgiato wheels. Not sure if it is a different manufacturer. Forgive me if I am telling you the wrong manufacturer of the wheels. Then you have some very subtle side skirts. And then, as I said, the front does have a flare, but it is also very subtle. The rear flare is the one that is very, like, bluntly obvious, which is the cool one. It gives it that wide-ass look, so very cool. Has red acrylic taillight lenses, as narrow as they are acrylic, as you can see them there. Then you have a black trim along the across the rear panel. Kind of looks really good to go with the carbon fiber wing, a ducktail style wing. And then you have the blue trimmed exhaust tips, which are pretty cool. Actually, they're anodized blue, I would say, instead of just trim. They're totally anodized in blue, it looks like. Then you have the rear diffuser back here, which covers the rear screw. And then you can see the front screw is exposed, and that is your typical button head Phillips screw. So you can take it apart and wheel swap it if you wanted. And then I believe these covers just pop off. I've never taken one of these apart where I've had to remove the cover over the rear screw. But anyways, treaded rubber tires, metal on metal as usual. Very nice car, and it rolls fairly good. Let's move it down here on the table and zoom back out just a hair. Okay, so as you can see, it rolls pretty good and such. So nice little model for Mini GT. Nice Lambo for you Lamborghini collectors. Kind of wish I would have kept my Lambos nowadays. That way I could keep adding to them because they have some really cool Lamborghinis coming out lately. I will pick up a couple of more, just the stock Venator SVJ in like a bluish purple color that has gold wheels. May pick up that one or the green one, not sure yet. But I will pick one of those up and unbox it for you guys. And then they have the SVJ Roadster I may or may not pick up, but the Coupe, I will pick up another one and unbox for you guys. Then we have the new Nissan Proto Z coming up. We're going to unbox it for you in a week or so. And the M255 Chevy I told you about in the last video, we still have coming. Just didn't get it in time to do my next video. So that's why we brought you the Lamborghini first, because it was the first one to arrive. So we have a couple of cool cars in store for you guys. Be sure to keep tuned in. We'll probably be back the middle of next week to show you the 55 Chevy. So have a great weekend, and we will talk to you next week. Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye, Ethan.
Bye.